Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to turn lowercase letters into uppercase in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is get a set of data where we can practice this command. To actually put the letters from lowercase to uppercase, all you have to do is click on an empty cell and type the equal sign upper function. This function allows the user to turn every letter from a reference cell into uppercase letters. Now that we've typed our function, let's click on a text. Close up the function and press enter. As you can see, it automatically turned all the lowercase letters into uppercase. Now, let's drag down the function to the rest of the items. As you can see, we managed to apply the same thing to the other items. Now, since this is a function, every change we put would be automatically updated. Here's an example. Now, if ever you need to copy these data, you can't just click on the copy and paste it anywhere because it would show up like this. To get the actual data, all you have to do is click on copy and go to the Home tab on the top left portion of your Excel. Click on the paste option and click on values. Once you do so, we would be getting this specific data instead of having a blank data like this one. And there we have it. This is how we make lowercase letters to uppercase in Microsoft Excel.